Hey, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Ever spend hours creating content that no one even clicks on? Or bounce between 5 different tools just to collect a few leads or maybe bump sales a little? Yeah, it's exhausting. But today I've got something that can change the game. Literally. Let me introduce you to Playzo, a super simple no-code platform that lets you turn plain, boring marketing into interactive games your audience actually wants to play. I'm talking spin wheels, scratch cards, quizzes, swipe polls, even your own branded Wordle. No coding, no design skills, just drag, drop, customize, and launch. It's built to grab attention, collect leads, and drive real results without making your life harder. Ready-to-use game templates. Playzo gives you 40-plus game templates to pick from. Quizzes, puzzles, polls, spin to win, and more. But it's not just about fun. These games are designed to hook your audience and make them want to keep engaging. Imagine launching a custom Wordle-style game for your brand. Yeah, you can actually do that here. Lead capture plus repeat engagement. Each game comes with built-in lead capture. So before your audience spins a wheel or plays a quiz, they'll drop their email or phone number. You can even add a leaderboard to your games, and that's where it gets addictive. People come back just to beat their score or top the chart. That's not just engagement, that's repeat engagement, and it can lead to more sales over time. Advanced spin wheel and sound effects. If you've tried spin wheels before, you'll love this. Playzo lets you build advanced spin wheels with sound effects, custom visuals, and multiple prize types. It feels like a mini-game instead of a gimmick, which means people are way more likely to engage. Great for flash sales, giveaways, or capturing attention in your ads. Interactive polls and AI-powered quizzes. Want product feedback? Launch a swipe poll that feels like Instagram stories but actually collects data you can use. Or use Playzo's built-in AI to create quizzes from scratch. It writes the questions, options, timers, and even certificates for you. Super useful for educators, coaches, or content creators who want to build quick engagement funnels. Now, normally you'd need 3 or 4 different tools to do all of this. Gamification, lead capture, polls, analytics, and you'd be paying hundreds every single month. But with Playzo on AppSumo, you can grab it for a one-time payment starting at just $59. No monthly fees, no subscription traps. Even better, at Tier 1, you get 6,000 gameplays per month, full access to 40-plus game templates, lead capture, analytics, and AI quiz generation. Tier 2 and up unlock even more, like 15,000-plus monthly plays, custom branding, CNAME for white labeling, webhook integrations, and more advanced controls. So, whether you're a solo creator or running an agency, you can pick the tier that fits and never pay again. Don't sleep on this one. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next one.